How to Fix Grok AI Image Limit Reached 2026 Guide. Just hit the image limit on Grok and stuck mid-project? Don't worry, here's exactly how to fix it and keep creating. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the limit. Grok has a separate image generation limit. Even if your text works, image generation can stop once the quota is used. Step 2. Wait for reset main fix. Image limits usually reset on a 24-hour rolling basis. So, check when you generated your first image, wait 24 hours for full reset. Step 3. Check your plan. Open your account on X, go to Settings, Subscription. Free users get fewer image generations. Step 4. Upgrade for higher limits. Premium plans give more image generations, daily resets, better overall access, best for heavy creators. Step 5. Refresh your session. Log out and log back in, or restart app. Clear browser cache. This can fix false limit errors. Step 6. Start a new chat. Open a fresh Grok conversation. Sometimes old chats show limit errors incorrectly. Step 7. Use alternatives. If you can't wait, try Microsoft Designer, Adobe Firefly, ImageFX. This keeps your workflow going. Pro tip. Write better prompts before generating. One strong prompt, fewer attempts, less quota used. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Grok AI image limit reached problem in 2026. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.